Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is class 10, Science, Chemistry, lesson number 1, Chemical Reaction and Equations. In this video, we are going to discuss about double displacement. Before seeing this video, please go through my previous videos, then only you will get the connectivity. At the same time, please subscribe our channel and press the like button as well bell icon. Now, double displacement reaction. In the previous we discussed displacement, single displacement reaction means more reactive metal displace less reactive metal. That is called single displacement. Now, what is mean by double displacement means here the more reactive metal, less reactive metal will not happen. So, here the two compounds react with each other and exchange their ions. You already might have learned from your 9th standard electropositive metal or electronegative non-metal. Most probably metals are electropositive in nature. What is mean by electropositive means those who are donating the valence electron to others, those elements are called electropositive. Those who are accepting the electrons from others, that are called electronegative. So, here they are exchange the ions, that is called double displacement. Due to exchange, what will happen? We are getting two different substances, two new substances we are getting from this process. That is why it is called a double displacement. So, you just keep it in your mind, single displacement occur due to more reactive metal displace less reactive metal. But double displacement occur, two components are react and just share the ions, positive and negative ions each other and make a two new compounds, that is called double displacement. Here I am writing AB react with CD, it form AD and CB. You might be thinking, madam, that is AC and BD be possible? It is not possible. You have to think positive always join with negative, cation and anion, not cation cation, not anion anion, not positive positive or not negative negative. So, I am just giving the example silver nitrate, AgNO3 is a silver nitrate, react with another compound sodium chloride. Now, you just see Ag plus it is a metal, NO3 is a non-metal, so it is a minus. So, one is positive, another one is negative. When it is react, so what is that? Sodium is positive and chlorine is negative. Of course, this positive will combine with this negative only. So, that I mentioned A combined with D. So, A combined D. Same like that, this sodium is combined with this. Always the positive will be first. So, the sodium is combined with C. So, that is the reason I am writing here C and B. I hope you have understood. So, the product of this reaction is AgCl plus NaNO3. Ag is react with NaCl, it produces AgCl and NaNO3. Next we are going to discuss the another examples of the double displacement reaction. I am just taking here barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate formula Na2SO4. So, here as usual we are sharing that ions only. Barium is a positive and chlorine is a negative. Same sodium positive and sulfate negative. So, it share. So, what is the byproduct? Barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Barium sulfide and sodium chloride. Here, this double displacement reaction we can also call precipitate reaction. Why we can call as a precipitate reaction means during exchanging of ions, some of the compound, any one of the compound it make a precipitate, it deposit down. So, that is why this double displacement reaction is called a precipitate. In this reaction, here the barium sulfate, it is make a white color precipitate. PPT means precipitate. So sodium chloride is a aqueous in nature. Next we are going to discuss the next example. Next example, BbNO3 whole square, that is a lead nitrate, react with potassium iodide, it produce what? So of course Bb is a positive, NO3 twice is a negative, potassium positive, iodide negative. So potassium iodide, and so we will get the product BbI2 plus KNO3. So we have to balance the equation. If we add here 2, we will get balancing equation. Clear? So here this is a precipitate, potassium iodide we will get in the form of precipitate, that also yellow color precipitate we will get. So potassium nitrate is aqueous, inside the precipitate will be lead iodide, BbI2. These all are examples of double displacement. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.